I'm Judge Elizabeth Davis Frizell, former judge of Criminal District Court Number 7, and I want to be your Democratic nominee for District Attorney in Dallas County. And I want to address cite and release. Cite and release refers to misdemeanor possession of marijuana cases here in Dallas County. Right now, there is not a consistent policy throughout the county. The policy in the city of Dallas is if you are charged with a misdemeanor possession of marijuana case, you'll be charged with the offense, but you will not be arrested. You'll be cited to return to court to answer for the charges. However, for example, if you're arrested in Richardson, Texas, you will be arrested and you'll be required to post bond before you answer for those charges. That's not consistent. And that's not what the district attorney's office should be doing. As your next district attorney, I will make a consistent policy throughout Dallas County. No matter what city you're charged with misdemeanor possession of marijuana in, I'll make sure that you do not go to jail, but you still will be held accountable for answering for that charge. The way we'll do that is if you're charged with a misdemeanor case, instead of sending you down to the Lew Sterrett jail, we'll give you a date to come back to court. When we send you to the Lew Sterrett jail, do you know it costs Dallas County taxpayers $63 a day? And on average, 5,600 defendants go through our jail on each given month. Generally, you're given credit for $50 a day when you go through the system. And most judges are going to set your bond at $500 or less. This is an inefficient use of taxpayer money. I want to make sure citizens are held accountable for possession of marijuana, but that we do it in a way where it doesn't unnecessarily cost taxpayers money. Cite and release is the answer, but it must be a consistent policy throughout all of Dallas County. If we're inconsistent, it confuses the residents of Dallas County. If you're in this particular location on one night and have misdemeanor possession of marijuana charges pending against you, you would go to jail. But you could be right across the street in another location and you won't go to jail. I want to be your DA to make consistent policies in Dallas County. We can do better in the DA's office. We can have excellence in the DA's office. We can excel with Judge Elizabeth Frizell. I'm Elizabeth Davis Frizell, and I approve this message. Join me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at Frizell for DA, at Frizell, the number 4 DA, or visit my website, www.frizellforda.com. Frizell, the number 4 DA.com, for all the latest updates on events, news, and current issues. We can excel with Judge Elizabeth Frizell.
Political advertisement paid for by the Elizabeth Davis Frizell Campaign for District Attorney. Dr. Freddie D. Haynes, Treasurer.